Hi, I'm Pete Smith, here today to tell you about chia. I'm having a delicious snack here, early afternoon. It involves chia seeds. Yes, chia seeds. Guys, I know the only thing I knew about chia seeds was the chia pet that we used to give to each other for Christmas, where you put the seeds on the little clay animal and they would grow leaves. Anyway, these are chia seeds. They're from Mayorga. MayorgaCoffee.com, guys. They sell lots of stuff, not only organic coffee, but chia and quinoa as well. Now, here's our chia seeds. Now, what I like to do is activate the chia seeds, guys. So this means 1 part chia with 6 parts water, and mix them up a little bit. Now, chia seeds are delicious and nutritious. They're so good for you guys. We'll get to that at the end. But here's the chia seeds in water, and we get them all wet, and then we're going to let them sit. They need to sit for about 3 hours to be activated. And so here's what they look like after 1 hour. And after 2 hours, you can see they're starting to get gel, like a gel. And so then after 3 hours, what I do is I put them in the fridge because I like my chia chilled. That's right, chilled chia. Now, I leave those overnight. You can eat them right away, but I take them out, and here's my early afternoon snack. It involves the chia, which is a beautiful consistency now, as you can see here. It's like a jelly. And what we're going to do is we're going to add that to some bread and some peanut butter and some apple slices. That's right. This is a healthy... Remember what they said about apples, guys? Apple a day keeps the doctor away. I've been eating apples every morning for a long time now, and they are delicious and nutritious, just like the chia. Here we've got some peanut butter. It's just regular peanut butter. I generally try and get the organic stuff, but somebody gave me this stuff. It was left over from a show that I was in, so we figured, hey, why not use it? So I'm eating this peanut butter. Just put it on the bread. This is a natural bread, homemade bread, and lightly toasted. And I spread the peanut butter on there nicely. Then I take my chia, that's right, that beautiful chia, and spread that on the peanut butter. Goes perfectly. It's got such a wonderful, smooth taste. And like I said, guys, the benefits are just amazing of chia. Look at how that is. Beautiful. And then I'm going to take my apple slices. I use Fuji apples. You can use whatever apples you like, or maybe even pears or some other fruit. It's up to you. But I slice them about 1/8 of an inch thick, and then I just lay them on top. That's right. Nice and neat. And with the last one, we just flip that around just to make things interesting. And there you have it. I don't use another slice of bread, guys. I just eat it just like this. It's a little bit messy, but I enjoy it so much, and it's good and healthy. And that's how you make a chia, peanut butter, and apple sandwich, guys. And these chia seeds can be bought online at MayorgaCoffee.com. They sell a lot of other stuff, guys. Let's take a look at the benefits of chia. Delicious. Chia benefits: highly nutritious, loaded with antioxidants, may support weight loss, may lower your risk of heart disease, contain many important bone nutrients, may reduce blood sugar levels, and of course, easy to incorporate into your diet. Guys, you can use chia in just about any way you'd like. You can use them raw, sprinkle them in your food, in your cereal, in your smoothie. You can activate them like I just did, or you can put them in your baking products. They're delicious. They're nutritious. Go out and get some chia. This is Pete Smith. Thanks for watching.